Hi. You got the hiccups? Whoa. They're bad. You got hiccups? Hi, Sealy. Are you excited? Hi. Hi. Can you say hi? Say hi. You're not going to talk? No? You just have the hiccups, that's it? Oh, alright. What? You were laughing earlier. As soon as I bust out the phone, you're just like, I'm just going to stare at the phone. What? What happened? Are you going to start talking? Oh no, you got the hiccups. Say hi. Say hi. Are you going to say hi? Say hi, everybody. I have the hiccups. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, don't get all fussy. What was that? 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 Okay.